Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful crochet cushions design ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, viewers, we are exploring beautiful crochet cushion design ideas. Crochet cushions are a simple way to make your home feel warm, cozy and stylish, whether you place them on a sofa, beds or chair. Their comfort and beauty. Handmade cushions are special because every stitch is made with care. You can choose soft colors for a clean look or bright color to make your room feel cheerful. Crochet cushions cover are easy to change with this season, making them a wonderful home decoration all year round. And friends, viewers, modern crochet cushion combines simple pattern with elegant color. White, gray, green and blue, soft blue are popular choice for modern homes. Clean lines and textured stitches create a stylish look without making the room feel busy. These cushions blend beautifully with modern and simple home decoration. And viewers, my nice idea is viewers. Granny square crochet cushions. Granny square are one of the most loved crochet patterns. By joining colors square together, you can create beautiful and unique cushions. Cover every square can have different look or pattern, making each cushion one of a kind. Granny square cushions bring warm, traditional, and creative into any room. And friends, viewers, so friends, flower crochet cushions design ideas. So I hope you will share in my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.